Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Today is November the 1st, 2023, and this is our release for my crafting world designs. So my design team, they aren't pocket letter makers, so I had them crafty girls feature a pocket letter die that I had made. And they did an amazing job. If you want to go watch that replay, it is on Them Crafty Girls, and it was Teresa's channel, and I am going to try to remember to link that in the description box. They made some really pretty pocket letters. Super cute. So that is the first one. I'm going to move all these out of the way so we don't get distracted with what is at the bottom here. So this is the pocket letter die, and this pocket letter die will cut out the background, and it'll cut out a stitched layering piece, and then this right here is a pocket for the back of your pocket letter, because you know pocket letters typically take little goodies in the back. So this is a back pocket for the pocket letter, which I thought was really cute. And it also has a layering piece. Now it comes with a poinsettia die. You can make tiny poinsettias to embellish your pocket letter, and it also comes with a tiny little gingerbread. And this gingerbread has the tiny little squigglies, and it's got the little dots. And it comes with a little bow tie that you can either make it a little boy or a little girl. And that is the pocket letter die. And I did make an example. Guys, I was so happy. I was able to make examples for everything this month, unlike last month. So my example for this pocket letter die is a pocket letter mini. This is a mini pocket letter. So this is the poinsettia that the die makes, and these are the inserts. And let me pull one out for you so you can see that it does make the back layer and then a stitched front layer. And then of course you decorate it as you wish. And then there is the pocket for the back. Now, I believe it was Ebony that did not use her pocket in the back. She used it in the front, guys, behind one of her elements. And I just thought that was such a great idea. She did really good. I encourage you guys to go watch that video. They did really good. And then these are the little gingerbreads. So I just used some bling pieces to go in the front as the little buttons. And this one I made a little girl because she's got her bow on her hair or on her head. And then this little guy right here with the bow tie. And then when you turn your pocket letter over, it holds your embellishments quite nicely. They're not all over the place. And as you can see, you know, it'll hold trim, it'll hold bling, it'll hold whatever you normally put in a back pocket. And then this one I just put some cutouts from the paper that I used. And there you go. Oh my gosh, guys, I thought this was such a great idea. If you're a pocket letter maker, I think this is a must-have. It is so, you don't have to worry about you cut wrong, it was too short, it was too long. You just run this through your machine, you've got all the right measurements, and get right to crafting. So that was the pocket letter die. Now the next die I have for you is a small embellishment type die. And this one is called Old Time Ribbon Candy, because as you can see, it is ribbon candy. I don't know how many of you remember the ribbon candy that they still sell it, but it was very popular back in the day. It's got your layering piece, it's got your main candy piece, and then it's got your ribbon piece to where you can put your ribbon in the center in a different color. So really cute. It comes together super fast, and I made examples of this one as well. So for this one, I did not embellish this one, so you could see typically the ribbon used to be green. And for this one, guys, you would think that your colored piece would be your back layer, but that's not it. Your solid white is your back layer, which is this one right here, and then the candy color would be the one with the holes. Okay, so it looks a little funny the other way if you do it, you know, the ribbons white, for example. If you do this one white and then this one a different color, it looks kind of funny. So that's why I left this one like that, so I could it reminded me to tell you that your back piece is your white piece essentially, and then these three little pieces right here, like I said, are your ribbon pieces right here for your center ribbon. So I did make some embellishments, and here are my other candies, and I just thought they kind of turned out so super adorable. Again, this is the poinsettia that comes with the pocket letter die. So here are my ribbon candies. Oh my gosh, the options are limitless on what we can put on the ribbon candies. I just thought they were so cute. Thank you, Nicole. She did a great job with this die. I really love it. So those are the old time ribbon candies, candy die. And then the next one we have is a Apron mini album. Guys, this is big. I have, let me see. The apron from side to side is 6 7/8. Oh, wait a minute. No. Yes, 6 7/8 wide is the apron, and then as far as how tall it is, it's about 5 1/4. 5 3/8, something like that. It's got a lot of layering pieces, guys, because one of them is your apron tails, the other one is your apron front. This one cuts out your background if you want a background with a different color. But anyway, and it comes with a little pie. The little pie is so cute, and the spatula. So it comes with a lot of layers, and let me show you my example. I did make a mini album with it. So this is my mini album, my apron mini album. So when I saw this little pie, the plate and the top, it reminded me of a lemon meringue pie. So that's what I made my pie to be, a lemon meringue pie. So I put a slice of lemon on the top. Here's my spatula, and then of course, I just put different decorations on there, or different embellishments on there. And this is a big poinsettia that I had in my stash, and then a bow, and I just clipped on a little dangle here. One is a candy cane and a Christmas tree, and I went traditional with this mini album. So it does have the holes for the top. I didn't show you that one, but because it was on the back. It does have the little tab for your bind your rings, if that's the way that you are going to use it. So there is my apron mini album, and then I flip it over. Here's the first page. Let me see if you can see all that. There's the first page, and here's the next one. And you know what, guys, honestly, I just used stuff that I had in my stash to embellish it. I didn't make anything but maybe a couple of poinsettias. And here is the other page, and as you can see, that's a big space for pictures. And again, this page, look how big that space is. And then this page, and then the back, I did put that snowflake on the back just because I thought it was pretty. But yeah, so there's the little apron, and this piece and this piece, these two are two separate pieces. So you can make the front of the apron a different color. You can make the apron trim a different color. You just have a lot of options with this one die. And I just thought it was such a fun one to play with. I really did enjoy playing with this one, mainly because I haven't been I hadn't been able to craft very much. So it will also kind of stand for you. You know me, I like my mini albums to stand, and this one will, it'll lean to the side a little bit, but it does stand if you wanted to. So there is the Apron mini album. And then the next one I have for you is a, this one is called, okay, so this one is called the Border Die Add-on Gingerbread Treat Box. So here are some of the pieces, and here are the rest. So with this one, if you have that border, that box bag maker border set, you can make this one, you can make your box with that set and then just attach this one to your little box once it's already made. So this is the outline of the gingerbread, and if you'll remember, the Memory Decks card that I had also looks like this. So it matches the Memory Decks card that that came out last month. So there's and this one is, it's the same, but it's on a bigger scale, and it doesn't have the little holes at the bottom. So it does match the Mem Decks card from last month. So let me show you my example for that one. And here is my example for that one, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So I did not use the pieces for the face like I did for the Memory Decks, because guys, yeah, my Memory Decks card looks a little scared there. So I did use a stamp for the face, and the little dots that are in the set, you can, you know, dot around the icing. So again, I didn't use any. It does come with, you can use the eyes, and then these are little buttons, but again, I didn't use those. I just put some cherries there. These come off of a, you know, a little cherry spray, and then these are the poinsettias that I made with the pocket letter die set. And this is the set, the box bag maker set, and that's how I got my box made for the treat box. And the Memory Decks card fits inside, guys. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. Can you imagine this one filled with gingerbread Memory Decks cards, and you just pull one out when you need to send one in? This was such a fun set. I just think these complement each other so well. So yeah, guys, I really like this this little gingerbread box or treat box. Just love it. And you know, of course, again, I stamp my face because I'm no good at putting faces together. Okay, so the last set that I have coming out today, this is I'm calling it the ultimate gift bag. Why? Because you don't need another gift bag unless you need one way bigger than this one. This one cuts the top with these little ridges like a regular, like a grocery bag. It's got, you know, you cut two of these, these are for the sides, your gusset for the sides. And if you want to add stars to the top, you can do that. Or you can add hearts, or you can add bunnies. I didn't use any of those, but you could use this for 4th of July. You can use this for Valentine's. You can use this for Easter, and any other time of the year. You can just use the top that is zigzag like that. Now, if any of you have an idea as to what I should, you know, if I should do an add-on and what you would like to see the top of the bag, you know, what other cutout you'd like to see for the top of the bag, just feel free to let me know. But anyway, I have two examples for this one because this one was really fun for me. The first one is this one right here, and it is your traditional Christmas colors. So it does not come with a layering piece. This is just a, you know, what did I cut it at? I think it was 4 3/4 by about 4 3/4, something like that. It's just a piece of paper that I cut out and glued to the top. This is your gusset, and this is my star bow that I have in the shop, and I just thought that was so pretty on the gift bag, because it's got the stars. You can put, you know, your different colors under the stars. But this one does not have a handle, and the reason being that if you want to leave your bag like this, you can leave it like this and just have the tissue come out, and there's nothing obstructing that. You can make your own handles. All you have to do is cut a strip of paper and put handles on it, either way. Or you can pinch these together, put a little clothespin on there, put a, you know, a binder clip on there, or you can make little holes on there if you want. You can make little holes on there and tie a ribbon on there. There's just so many different ways to cut it that I didn't think you needed handles or holes, because what if you don't want the handles? What if you don't want the holes? I just thought it was a really good idea for, you know, not to have a handle or anything like that. So no handles, no holes, no, I thought that was good like that. So I did make another one. I was having so much fun with them. I made another one, and here is my second bag, guys. Oh my goodness, I just love this bag. So this is just a strip of black paper, cut it 5.5 by 1.5, okay? And I just used some layering dies or some nesting dies, and I cut the buckle out, just glued it down, glued some furry at the bottom, and it was good to go. These come together so fast, guys. Honestly, they just come together super fast. You don't need to, you know, paper piece anything. They just come together really quickly. If you need a bag really quickly, this is a good way to go, because you don't have to take the time to cut the top off. It already has that zigzag top, and you know, it's ready to go. So here's the bottom, and as you can see, the bottom doesn't go, the flaps don't go from one end to the other. So my recommendation for you guys is glue your sides first. Glue one side to the back, one side to the front, and again, one side to the front, one side to the back, and then glue your flaps down. That would be the easiest way for you to go on the bag. It's just super easy, and it turns out to be quite a cute bag. And it is 6 1/4 by 5 3/4 by 2 inches. So that's a good size bag. Yep, that's a really good size bag. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you tuning in and seeing the new release, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, fun, fabulous month. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day, guys.